Yes, I'm back again singing my favorite Katy Perry song, Fireworks. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag floating through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams, no one to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance in you? There's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're fireworks. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go, oh, 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 until you shoot up to the sky.